Hi everybody, I'm Danny. I'm our Kidtropolis educator for both Children's Museum Houston and for our sister site, Fort Bend Children's Discovery Center. Welcome to our cooking time brought to you by our Kidtropolis sponsor for both locations, HEB. So what we're going to do at this time is we're going to share with you some recipes that are easy for kids and adults to make working side by side in the kitchen. And today the recipes I want to share with you are how you can make a personal pizza and fruit kebab. It's a pretty simple lunch. And if your kids, like mine, are getting a little tired of having a lot of sandwiches day after day, this is a nice way to break that up. Also, by inviting your kids to cook alongside you in the kitchen, not only do they learn some really important skills, but it's actually been found that kids are a little bit more likely to try new foods and a little bit less likely to complain about what's for that particular meal when they're the ones who are assisting in cooking it. So today, like I said, we're going to show you how to make these two simple things, and we certainly hope you'll try this at home.
For the pizzas, we are going to use English muffins, or you can substitute bagels or flour tortillas. Pizza sauce, you can buy this from the store or make your own using tomato sauce or paste and seasonings, and shredded cheese. You can also gather any toppings you'd like. I didn't have any pepperoni in my house, but I scrounged up some breakfast sausage, leftover fajita toppings, and a few random jars from my pantry. It's okay to get creative. We'll wait to make the fruit kebabs until the pizzas are in the oven. For now, you may just want to pull your ingredients together. Almost any fruit you have will work, including frozen or canned. You will also need a cutting board, a knife, and kebab sticks, though if you don't have those, you can turn this into a fruit salad. Let's get started. First, make sure all of your chefs wash their hands with soap and water for no less than 20 seconds. Next, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're using English muffins or bagels, I recommend toasting them first to get a crispier crust. Once they're toasted, spread a spoonful of pizza sauce onto each muffin half. You can use more or less, depending on your personal preference. Next, sprinkle some cheese on top of each muffin. Again, as much as you like. Now it's time to choose your toppings and add those to your pizzas as well. Place the pizzas onto a baking sheet and put them in the oven to cook.
So while the pizza's cooking, it doesn't take very long. It's only about 5 minutes to cook these pizzas. Just keep an eye on it so nothing burns. We're gonna actually make our fruit kebabs here. Now what I've done is I've just found some fruit that I already had in the house. I had some strawberries. I went ahead and cut the tops off of those. Some grapes that I got off of their stems. And then I also had some canned fruit. I had canned pineapple I decided to use for this, and a banana. These are all, you can pretty much use any fruit you want. You can use apples, you can use like mandarin oranges like you might have in a school lunch. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna make kebabs out of these. So we just need them in small enough pieces that we can then put them on our sticks. So Corey, I'm gonna have you take over here. If you would take this knife, and we're just gonna slice this up into pieces. Perfect. Let's go nice and slow so we're being careful. There we go. Perfect. You can keep going with that. I'll get rid of our banana peel here. And while you're slicing the banana, I'm going to get a couple of sticks out here. I think maybe 2 per person will be good. Awesome. All right, I'll get our fruit out here so we can reach everything okay. One more ought to do it. Excellent. All right, so what I want you to do next, I'll go ahead and take this and put it aside. What we're going to do next is we're going to take a stick. Here's yours. Here's mine, and you're just gonna start putting some fruit on this stick. Now these are really, really big strawberries. You're probably only gonna fit one. Actually, I'm gonna grab my knife back. If you want, you can try cutting a strawberry in half, just so that you can fit both halves on. But you're welcome to take these, and all you have to do is poke the sharp end through, and then you can fix a different piece of fruit on. I'm gonna get a nice variety. I know you don't really like bananas, so thank you for cutting those bananas up for me. But you can just put the fruit that you like on here. Maybe try something that isn't just strawberries. And keep going. We're gonna make the whole kebab so that we can get the whole stick filled up with fruit, just like this. And I'm gonna grab a plate that I can put this on. There's my kebab. And while Corey's making her kebabs, I know she really likes strawberries more than anything else. I'm also gonna show you right here, this looks like it could be a fancy fruit dip. All it is it's vanilla Greek yogurt. You can make a dip if you want to. There's all sorts of cool recipes out there, but really something as simple as vanilla yogurt, this makes a really good dip, plus it adds protein to your food, which is great. So once your kebabs are all made and served up, this is a good thing to add on the table. People can scoop it onto their plates, or they can dip right in if you're all in the same family. We don't usually mind so much. And we've got a strawberry kebab. Look at that. Very fancy. Let's put it next to the first kebab. Awesome. Thank you, Corey. Let's see if our pizza's ready.
Once your cheese is melted, have an adult remove the pizzas from the oven. Place a pizza and a kebab on each plate and set out your fruit dip for everyone to share.
And that's it. Thank you very much, everybody, for joining us for today's cooking time. We hope you come back next Monday. We'll share some more recipes with you. Thank you to our friends at HEB for sponsoring. And Corey, thank you for helping me cook. Are you ready to eat some food? All right, ready? Bon appetit. Enjoy.